This is Alex Foster calling in from San Diego, California after day one of Drone Command Live. Wow, what an informative day. Everything's so well put together, makes sense, and just seeing some of the opportunities that where you may think there would be shrinking opportunities is very refreshing. Um, the way Diego and Damon lay everything out is very informative, well thought out, and very easily understandable for the layperson just getting into this field. I don't see why you'd be on the fence after day one, but getting to day one, I'd say go for it. You can never learn too much. And if you don't get anything out of day one, you can ask for your money back. But I'm ready for day 2 and 3. Can't wait. Let's go.